I want to introduce you to somebody called Michel Thomas, and he's also a very well-known language teacher. When I lived in Switzerland, of course, I was forced to learn French or be kicked out. And one of the programs which I used to learn to speak French is Monsieur Thomas. And Monsieur Thomas is a very interesting fellow because he was, as I was researching this book, Where Does It End? He started playing actually a role in this book because his history as a freedom fighter in France or a resistance fighter is not well known. Most people don't actually know anything about it, including his students. So I spent quite a bit of time on him because he was interned at a place called Camp de Mil, where a lot of Jews were interned as well. And he spent some time there, and then he was released, and he went to Lyon. And there he got involved. He got captured by a guy called Klaus Barbie, but he survived that. In 1987, actually, Monsieur Thomas testified against Klaus Barbie when he was on trial. Then he joined or took hands with a CIA frontrunner, the OSS, and did sterling work. In fact, he got, just before he died, he got a Silver Star for bravery awarded to him. And he was after the war quite involved with wanting Nazi war criminals. Emil Mal, that's the one, the hangman of Dachau, he actually captured him. He also captured a Waffen SS Major Gustav Knittel, who was involved with a massacre at Malmedy of 84 soldiers. Both of these people were released in the 1950s. Yeah, just happened like that. But what he also did is he captured about 10 million names, records. And he handed that over to Mossad, and these were all Nazis. And I'm sure Mossad did the blackmail thing against them, whoever. But Thomas became known after the war as a teacher of languages. He could speak many, many languages. So I just wish to say to Monsieur Thomas, je parle français, mais pas bon, mais je parle. Merci beaucoup. What I basically said to him is, thank you for, I can speak a bit of French, not very good, but I can speak.